Welcome back to the Goheen Cycles YouTube channel. Today I'm bringing you a quick install video of our laydown plate for a VTX 1300 and 1800R or ST, any of them that have the long license plate. This is to get rid of that billboard license plate bracket that you have. Basically, you're going to go from this to this. And you can do that in a matter of about 5 minutes of time. Let me show you how to install that now.
We're going to install this plate. There's a 8mm to take it off. That's it. Let's install this. There's blue Loctite. Put in the new screws.
Go all the way in with them.
That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching the Goheen Cycles YouTube channel. See you next time.
Alright, there you have it. That's the Goheen Cycles laydown plate mount. You can see it's laying down both directions. Gets rid of that big gaudy billboard plate mount. You can pick that up from goheencycles.com. I have a link down in the description where you can pick one up at. And they're in stock, ready to ship now. They come with the screws that you need that are countersunk into the plate mount. And like I said, you can see 5 minutes of your time, and you can do a pretty quick mod. So any questions you have, you can hit me up on my Facebook page, facebook.com/GoheenCycles. You can check me out on Instagram at GoheenCycles. Or as always, you can check me out on my website, goheencycles.com. Go over to the shop page and you can pick yourself up one of these laydown license plates. Alrighty, I'll see you guys in the next one.